Alright, today we're gonna show you how to replace a blower motor on a 2013 Porsche Cayenne without removing the globe box. So make sure you're moving the passenger seat all the way to the back. Or you'll have enough room. And then remove the bottom cover.
Aren't you gonna edit out like these words that you're saying?
Yeah, we'll edit it. There you go. Just come up like that. Take that thing off.
Can I be the cameraman?
Yeah.
I want to be a little bit of a YouTuber.
A little bit of YouTuber?
Yeah, a little bit of a YouTuber. Not like too much of subscribers that I'm famous.
Famous?
I don't want to be like that cool.
Oh. So that one just clips right there. You can take off that clip and just remove that air duct. Let's put that away. And you can see all the connectors right here. There's one connector right there, and just remove all those 6 small bolts, and voila, you'll be able to take the blower motor, just pull it out downwards. Alright, so I'm using a 732 socket to take it off. So 1 down, 2 down. That's 3. We need some extension. Don't move it around like that. Just keep it right here. Okay, we got one more. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
All right. All right, we get that thing out under the globe box without removing the globe box. Ready to put the new one in, Troy?
Yep. Dad, shouldn't we tell them to subscribe to Mario Pasqua? Make sure you subscribe.
Come here, you're supposed to take this footage.
I have this on.
You have to keep it like that, okay?
I put the thing on. I'll keep the footage while I'm taking it off. Alright. Okay. It's probably good footage. I'm gonna go get some water and come back.
What?
Here's the other GoPro for my ping pong video of me and Cayenne. And we'll see how we actually play. I guess that's a yes. I just said if I could use the GoPro for me and Cayenne playing ping pong.
Where's that hole? Not supposed to run with the screw. I got that in. Got that in. On this in. All right, that's it. Woo! All right. Finally. Very nice, very nice. It's working.